Due to COVID-19, things are changing and life is changing. So is nature. Nature is blooming right now. Today I am going to recite my poem, Nature Calling. Nature is calling for healing. Better behave and relax. Stop running without the thought. Give time to yourself. Spread love and positivity. Let nature bloom and breathe without pollution and interference. It's time to connect with existence, find inner peace and happiness. Heal the world with warmth, break the barriers and boundaries. Be one, leave behind hypocrisy. Give good vibes of purity. Let nature bloom and smile with fragrance of love and peace. With fragrance and love and peace.